If you've got a YouTube channel, you know how important it is to have a great thumbnail and title. But when it comes to thumbnails, you've got to pay close attention to the fonts you use for them. That little bit of context tells your viewer what they can expect from your video, and that's why it's a crucial approach to get someone clicking. So, what is the best font to get your message across? In this short video, we'll dive into the 5 fonts I've picked you can use to really up the ante of your channel. If it's your first time here, welcome to the channel Side Hustle Pursuit, the channel that gives you tips to becoming the entrepreneur you want to be. We talk about different ways to create a passive income, and in this video, if it's monetization of your YouTube channel and making money off of it, your thumbnails are important. So let's get to it. Starting with number 1, League Gothic. This thumbnail is the perfect thumbnail for keeping your message clear and very easy to read. Always consider the size of the device when people are watching your videos. The smaller the device, the easier it is to read this particular font. This design is all about keeping it simple. It's perfect for a makeup YouTube channel, a review channel, or even a health channel. Those are just some great working examples. Next up at number 2, Bangers. A font that has a comic book style can be a fun option to use and stands out from a lot of other fonts. It has a bold look to it that will instantly catch the eye. While you can use this font for different types of channels, it's perfect if you're a gamer or a review channel of superhero movies. Again, it's not limited to these, but they work well with those subjects and more. Number 3, Monocera. Extra bold. You really can't go wrong with this font, especially since it's hard to categorize what type of video would be best with this font. It can be used for many niches. The point being is you may even like to use this font so much because of its versatility, you may use it for your website or even logo. Next up at number 4, Gotham Bold. This font is great for branding. You might be putting a product in the forefront. You might even be showcasing a haul. Got a latest vlog you want to share? In my opinion, this font is great for all those things and never limited to them. Give it a try and experiment. Last at number 5, there's a good chance you've already seen this thumbnail and didn't know what it was called. Burbank Big Condensed is the name of the font, and while there are multiple versions of this font, it's great for gaming videos and when you're looking just to make a few words count in your thumbnail. With the right colors, especially bright colors like red or yellow, it'll make your thumbnail pop. As we share some of these top fonts you can use today, I want you to remember 3 things. Number 1, always stay consistent. Keep that font congruent with the other social media platforms when using images, since you are branding yourself as they will become highly recognizable. Number 2, adding bold or using a shadow will make your font stand out. Remember, it's all about being seen and being seen in the clearest way possible. And number 3, think about your color palette. Your color approach should be across your videos. It's easy to get off track as we find things we like, but we need to think in terms of the person seeing your channel for the first time. You want to be seen, and regardless of how good your video is, you may never be seen if your thumbnail is not great. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks again guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.